Hi everyone, my name is Carolyn and welcome to my channel. I am going to be unboxing the Lurella box today. This is new to me. I've never opened this one up before, so you and I will be surprised together. This is a $29.99 per month box. Has 5 to 7 full-size products per month. You get first access to a brand new eyeshadow palette before anyone else, which is nice. You get a wide variety of products from lashes to beauty products, and there is free shipping in the US. So that's really nice. Now it does come in just a box like this, but if you open it, all your goodies are inside. Let's take this out. It's a card, and it does give prices, but it looks like this. And then the back. And this out of here. When you open her up, you got all your beauty stuff in here. It comes all packaged really nice. So let's get in here and see what we got. Oh, okay. Right on top here are 2 makeup brushes. Let's see. And they're retail for $9. If I can get them out of here, that'd be awesome. Look like eyeshadow brushes. Oh, I got them all taped up. Jeepers. Okay. They had them taped up pretty darn good here. Let's get this one. A blending brush. That's nice. Okay, so we got 2 really nice brushes. We got the blending brush, which is nice and fluffy, and then we have this flatter, more dense brush. Probably be good for corners or whatever, but this is an awesome blending brush, and I do like that. Okay, the next thing, God, everything's taped. Oh my goodness, it's packaged really well. Put that on the box. Next thing we have here is the Spotlight LED Selfie Ring Light. And it looks like that. And this, let's see. Retails for $12. Get that perfect lighting on the go with our LED selfie ring light. This USB rechargeable ring light features 3 levels of brightness, which can be adjusted by pressing and holding the power button. It's lightweight and portable. Get my scissors here. This is kind of different. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. Oh, look at that. And it just clips on. Looks like this. And it does clips onto your phone. That's cool. And it does have the USB cord with it. So you can charge it, which I probably have to do before you first use it. But that's neat. That's different. You don't really get stuff like this in a normal beauty box. So that's cool. Yeah, I like that. Okay, the next thing we have here is a liquid lipstick in the color Famous. And this retails for $10. Let me see if I can get it open. Oh, just not my day today. Here comes someone walking in on me. It's okay. It's just my daughter. What do you want? I'm having trouble getting this open. My goodness. What? There we go. Boy, packaged really well. Jeepers. Oh, it's pretty. Looks like that. Oh, it smells like candy. Baked goods. Oh, it's pretty. Kind of coral. It looks like that. I think that's a pretty color. And it is their own brand. I suppose everything is here. Okay, let's see. The next thing I have here is their eyelashes. And they're really fluffy. All Lurella lashes are made with a distinct quality. Each pair of lashes are carefully handmade and consist of mink or synthetic fibers. Our playful and flirty lashes will help you elevate your makeup look. And they look like that. They're very dramatic. And let's see. Eyelashes, they retail for $15. If you go on their website, you're able to shop all these things. So, all right. Next thing I see here is, looks like a big palette. Holy man. Tropical, Like It, and Hot. And it is an eyeshadow palette. It's a big one. And this retails for $27, which is pretty reasonable, really, I think. They sure do package their stuff good. It's hard to get into. Let's see. All right, there we go. It looks like this. Tropical. Tropic, Like It, and Hot. Oh my goodness. I can't get into anything today. What is going on? Oh, I'm having troubles. Gosh darn it. Oh, I'm cutting it off. I guess I ain't cutting it off. Jeez. Alright, let's open it up and see what the colors are. Ooh. Pretty. It's got a nice big mirror on it. And there are a bunch of really pretty colors in there. There's greens and pinks and oranges, purples, yellows, just about everything. It's pretty. Sandy Cheeks, Vacation, Suntan, Wild, Party Animal. Very nice names. I'm not going to swatch this because I might be giving it away. So I don't want to stick my fingers in it. But that is a really nice palette. Looks like that. And the last thing looks huge. Let's see. Get that out of my way. A Shell Shock mirror. Oh, that's cool. Looks like that. And it retails for $15. So this is a very reasonable box. Let's see what it looks like. It's got a little bit of everything in it. Oh, I hope it's a handheld mirror. Oh, it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Look. It's this big old shell, rose gold. And you got that. It's a big mirror. Look at that. That is beautiful. I love it. I don't have a hand mirror and I need one. So yeah, that's going to really come in handy. Very nice. Very nice. And like I said, it's $15 retail. Oh, that is so cool. I like that. That was the last thing we had in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in here. And they were all good sized. We got the eyeshadow palette, we got the mirror, the lipstick, the 2 eyeshadow brushes, the eyelashes, and the selfie ring. So that is awesome. Variety of a little bit of everything. I'm really happy with this. I'm glad I got it. It's well worth the money. I think we went over what we paid in value. I like it. Let me know what your favorite product was in this box, if you had one. Let me know down below in the comment section. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And stay happy and healthy until I see you in my next video. Bye.